Hey there, I'm Jay from the Get Flying Drones team, and I'm here to break it all down for you. You've probably seen our giveaways and you might be wondering, how do we manage to give away 8 free drones every week? Well, let me explain this. So, how are we doing it? Is there a catch? The answer is simple. Well, it's part of a special arrangement we've made with drone manufacturers across all locations where we run giveaway promotions. In return for the drones, we collect user-generated content from the winners who provide us feedback and share reviews for these drones. Look, these manufacturers have marketing budgets specifically for getting their newest mini drones into the hands of real people like you. Instead of spending that budget on traditional ads, they partner with us to give these drones away directly to our subscribers. It's a win-win situation. They get their product out there, and you get a shot at a really cool mini drone for free. We've built strong partnerships with top drone companies. They trust us to get their drones to real users who will test them out, provide feedback, and share their reviews. For the manufacturers, this is extremely valuable, as they get a large volume of honest reviews from our community. This helps them promote their products and improve future models. When you enter the giveaway, you're part of something bigger. You get the chance to win a high-quality mini drone. And at the same time, you're helping these companies improve their products based on real-world experiences. It's a win for everyone. So the drones we give away are brand new mini models, not the high-end professional ones, but perfect for beginners or anyone who loves drones. The manufacturers benefit from your feedback, and you get to enjoy the latest tech at no cost. So how can you join in on the fun? It's really simple. 1. Subscribe to our channel. 2. Like this video. 3. Watch this video twice to lock in your entry. 4. Comment yes and your email address below so we can reach out if you win. That's it. By following these steps, you're not only entering to win, but you're also becoming part of a community that helps shape the future of drone technology. These giveaways are made possible through our partnerships with manufacturers who want to get their drones into the hands of real users. They rely on feedback from people like you to improve their products. But also know that we will postpone the giveaway if we don't get at least 100 contestants every week. So, subscribe, like, watch the video twice, and comment your email below. Good luck, and we'll see you next Monday with the winners. Thanks for being part of our community.